Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. Let's get started with the Tata Group news. So here is the image which displays the returns of the Tata Group in last 1 year. So you can see most of the stocks have given positive returns. Actually all. So Nelco with 285% returns, Tata Steel 255% returns, Tata Chemicals 200% returns, Tata Motors 150% returns, Tata 80%, Tata Metallics 106%, Tata ALXCI, ALXSI 353%, and rest of the companies have also done good. And I am pretty sure that they will continue to give this kind of returns in upcoming years and decades. So stay invested. Do not sell your Tata positions at all. The next news is about the top 5 companies trading near breakout level. So if you are a short-term investor, this kind of stocks will give you good returns in short terms. So the names in this list is Page Industries, Vinati Organics, Asahi India Glass, Dollar Industries, India Cement. So all these stocks are really quality stocks. So you can invest in these stocks without hesitation. The next news is about the PayPal. PayPal is confirmed that it is exploring a stable coin. So there is a lot of interest among the investors around cryptos, and that's the reason PayPal is coming up with the stable coin, and that is a good boosting news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the Mozilla. So Mozilla was planning to accept the donations in terms of crypto instead of fiat currencies, along with fiat currencies, but there was a backlash on the internet, and that's why Mozilla backtracked on that decision, and they are no longer accepting the cryptos in terms of donations. The next news is about the JP Morgan. So JP Morgan is saying that Ethereum will keep losing the dominance in the field of decentralized finance in the coming year, and the reason why they are saying is that there are scaling issues with the Ethereum, because we know that there is high gas fee, and also the transaction speed is also very less, and because a lot of transactions are happening, that's why there is a congestion in the network, and that's why there is a delay in the transaction processing as well. So these are the reasons why JP Morgan thinks that Ethereum might lose dominance in the field of decentralized finance, and that's why I see very huge opportunity in the layer 2 solutions like Matic and others, and that's the reason I'm bullish on the Matic. The next news is about the DMart, a really quality stock from Indian stock market, and they have announced the quarterly result yesterday, and you can see bumper results they have declared. So net profit up 24%, then revenue up 22%, EBITDA up 26%, margins at 9.39%. So margins have also improved. So really good company. I will stay invested in this company for next 100 years, because they sell groceries, and people will not stop buying groceries for next 100 years. So I will keep invested in this stock for next 100 years. The next news is about the some of the stocks that have given bumper returns in last 1 year. So if you had invested 1 lakh in these stocks would have, the net worth would have become 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So it's a multi-bagger returns basically. So the list of the stocks is Saregama 6 lakhs you would have got if you had invested 1 lakh. Then there is a KPIT, JBM Auto, Green Panel, Trident, Angel One into the broking business. So really good returns these stocks have given. The next news is again about the Tata stocks, and one of the Tata stock that outstands from the list is Tata Teleservices, which has given bumper returns in last 1 year. You can see market cap has become now 50,000 crore. The next news is about the stocks that closed above their previous 52-week high. So here is the list: KPIT Tech, Birlasoft, Page Industries, India Cement. Then there is a Pidilite Asian Paint. Pidilite Asian Paints are evergreen stocks. You make a position anytime and then they will not disappoint you. Then there is a Kajaria Ceramics that I like from the list. Then Automotive Stampings, it is from the Tata Group, so I like this stock. And then there is a JPM Auto, Talbros Automotive. So in Talbros Automotive, recently one of the renowned investors in Indian stock market have made the positions, Vijay Kedia, and there is other one as well, Ashish Kachule, I guess. So that's why I'm bullish on that Talbros Automotive. And the last news is about the JP Morgan's report, which says that crypto will be accepted by mainstream investors and companies in 2022. So that means that is a positive news for the investors, crypto investors, and I think this crypto is here to stay. It's not a scam. If you invest in good quality crypto coins, then it is not a scam. You will make good returns because you are an early investor, and by 2030 crypto will be everywhere. So if you invest right now, you will make huge returns. Thanks for watching this video.